How to turn on or turn off Keep S Pen Connected on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings screen, scroll down and then tap on Advanced Features. Next in here, tap on S Pen. Then we scroll down and tap on More S Pen Settings. In here, tap on Keep S Pen Connected. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on, or tap on it to switch it off. And here say keep your S Pen connected so it's ready for air actions as soon as you pull it out. This uses more battery. And that's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.